Hi guys, welcome back. As you know that Cincinnati Open 2025 is underway, and in men tennis we have already entered into the fourth round. A big match is coming up next on 14th of August between Carlos Alcaraz and Luca Nardi. Yes, viewers, this is only match preview, tennis predictions for upcoming game. Do like, subscribe. Both the players have met only once, and the only match has been won by Carlos Alcaraz, Doha round of 16, and that was the only match where Alcaraz was successful against Luca. So in terms of head-to-head, Alcaraz certainly has upper edge over Nardi. Yes, viewers, but this cannot be the only predicting factor. The current ATP rank of Alcaraz is 2, while that of Luca Nardi is 98. So this will definitely come into play and will benefit Carlos Alcaraz. Both are young, 22 years of age each. Both are quite tall, 6 feet. Alcaraz 6'1" in height. Luca Nardi both plays right-handed, two-handed backhand players. Turned professional, that's very important. Alcaraz has been playing since 2018, while Luca Nardi has just started off his career recently. In terms of year-to-date win-losses, that's very important. This year is favoring Carlos Alcaraz with 48 wins, 6 losses in singles, while Nardi has 5 wins and 10 losses this year. And with this, Alcaraz has 5 single title also, while Nardi hasn't got any title yet. So this year is again favoring Carlos Alcaraz with better winning average, more wins to her credit, and very high conversion rate of wins into titles, that is 5. Career win losses, that's huge difference between these two players. 257 wins, 62 losses to Alcaraz in overall career, while Nardi has just started off his career with 12 wins, only 34 losses without any career title, while Alcaraz has 21 single title to his credit. So in terms of overall career outlook, Alcaraz has very strong outlook with very high winning average in singles and very high conversion rate of wins into titles in overall career with 21 titles and year to date 5 titles, while Nardi hasn't got any single title this year in overall career. So this will again be really helping Alcaraz to win the upcoming game. So we are making the prediction on the available data. As I've already told you, in terms of head-to-head, Alcaraz has played the only match which he has won. In a year-to-date record, he has got a far more number of wins, 40 wins against 5 only to Nardi, with 5 single titles this year also. In overall career, 257 wins to Alcaraz with only 12 wins to Nardi in overall career. With career titles of 21 to Alcaraz, and Nardi hasn't got any single title yet. So this clearly defines the upcoming outcome of the upcoming match. And to me, Carlos Alcaraz will most likely be the winner. Do like, subscribe if you find this video informative.